The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 256, effective until 3:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time Tuesday. This watch includes the following counties: in Kansas, Atchison, Donovan, Johnson, Leavenworth, Lynn, Miami, and Wyandotte. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, broadcast radio, and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Tornado Watch number 256 has been issued until 3:30 a.m. for the following counties: in Kansas, Atchison, Donovan, Johnson, Leavenworth, Lynn, Miami, and Wyandotte. The National Weather Service in Pleasant Hill, Missouri has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Donovan County in northeastern Kansas, Lynn County in eastern Kansas, until 10:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:03 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. The first storm was located 3 miles northeast of Severance, the second one 5 miles southwest of La Signa. The first storm was moving south, the second storm moving north. And both storms were moving at 30 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Wathena, Elwood, Pleasanton, La Signa, Highland, Troy, Lynn Valley, Mound City, Parker, Blue Mound, Prescott, White Cloud, Denton, Severance, and Leona. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Lightning can strike up to 10 miles away from a thunderstorm. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: in Kansas, Donovan and Lynn. The National Weather Service in Pleasant Hill, Missouri has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Atchison County in northeastern Kansas, Miami County in eastern Kansas, until 10:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:13 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. The first storm was located 4 miles east of Potter, the second one over Hillsdale. The first storm was moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. The second storm was nearly stationary. Locations impacted include Atchison, Paula, Osawatomie, Lewisburg, Effingham, Lancaster, Fontana, Muskota, and Huron. Torrential rainfall is also occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 10:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: in Kansas, Atchison, and Miami. The National Weather Service in Pleasant Hill, Missouri has issued a tornado warning for Leavenworth County in northeastern Kansas until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:22 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located 3 miles east of Tonganoxie and moving east at 20 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Leavenworth, Lansing, Tonganoxie, Basher, Linwood, and Easton. Heavy rainfall may obscure this tornado. Take cover now. If you wait to see or hear it coming, it may be too late to get to a safe place. The safest place to be during a tornado is in a basement. Get under a workbench or other piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of the building in an interior hallway or room such as a closet. Use blankets or pillows to cover your body, and always stay away from windows. If in mobile homes or vehicles, evacuate them and get inside a substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat in the nearest ditch or other low spot and cover your head with your hands. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Leavenworth, Kansas. The National Weather Service in Pleasant Hill, Missouri has issued a tornado warning for northern Miami County in eastern Kansas until 10:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:24 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Spring Hill and moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Paula, Osawatomie, Louisburg, and Fontana. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 10:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Miami, Kansas. The National Weather Service in Pleasant Hill, Missouri has issued a tornado warning for extreme southern Johnson County in eastern Kansas, Wyandotte County in northeastern Kansas, until 10:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:37 p.m. Central Daylight Time, 2 confirmed tornadoes were located in the warned area. The first tornado was located over Lake Quivira and moving south-southwest at 15 miles per hour. The second tornado was located 3 miles southwest of the Johnson County Executive Airport and moving north-northeast at 25 miles per hour. These 2 tornadoes are on direct course to collide with each other. Take cover now. Locations impacted include Olathe and Edwardsville. To repeat, 2 tornadoes are on the ground. Take cover now. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 10:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: in Kansas, Johnson and Wyandotte. Tornado emergency for Overland Park, Olathe, Shawnee, Lenexa, Leawood, Prairie Village, Gardner, and Merriam. A tornado warning remains in effect until 10:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for Johnson County. At 9:51 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed large and destructive tornado was located near Overland Park, or 12 miles northeast of Olathe, and was nearly stationary. This is a tornado emergency for Overland Park, Olathe, Shawnee, Lenexa, Leawood, Prairie Village, Gardner, and Merriam. Take cover now. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Hazard: deadly tornado. Source: law enforcement confirmed tornado. Doppler radar indicates that this tornado is over 1.5 miles wide. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris will be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Overland Park, Olathe, Shawnee, Lenexa, Leawood, Prairie Village, Gardner, Merriam, Mission, Roland Park, Fairway, Edgerton, and Westwood. To repeat, a large and extremely dangerous tornado is on the ground. This is a life-threatening situation. If you cannot get underground, go to a storm shelter, or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Mobile homes and vehicles will offer no protection from this tornado. Heavy rainfall may obscure this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. Tornadoes are difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait. Take cover now. Repeating, a tornado warning remains in effect until 10:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Johnson, Kansas. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Kansas City Emergency Management. Tornadoes have ravaged the area in eastern and northeastern Kansas. The city of Overland Park was hit particularly hard, as a tornado with a diameter of 1.5 miles hit the area around the city, causing destruction to the area. All residents in northeastern and eastern Kansas are requested to stay at home for the rest of the night, as debris covers most of the roads. Stay tuned to this channel for further information.